All right, let's take a look at this percent of function. So the percent of function, what it's doing here is it's taking the value 10. For example, in the column D, what it's doing is it's going through and pulling that from C2. We can see that C2 is right here, the percent of 10 to C2, and that then brings that in, right? So kind of the goal there is we want to pull that cell, and then we're filling that down using the fill function. And we're using this on mobile, so it clearly works on mobile. As we can see here, it fills down and completes that category. The ability to do this could be helpful for locking in values. The percent of function does not appear to have additional values, but it does the array and 10, so it goes down this array and chooses the values and updates them. It does put them in decimal places, so that is not updatable as far as I can see in the percentof function, as we can see here. If we go over here and take a look at this function on mobile, percent of, and how it works, so you take a data subset, which was 60. It basically took the array with the fill and we did data all. So that's kind of how that works at a very basic level. This is just to be more specific with your percents and not allow yourself to make mistakes when it comes to doing these types of things. So the main thing here is we're taking that data subset. We're then doing the data all, which then processes it. And then if we take that back and we look at this, so we're taking D5, data all, and we can specify those amounts. So we'll go right here, we have a 10, but let's say we want to change it to 20. We could go back here, change it to 20 by clicking here, and we say we wanted 20. It does not use decimals, so that's kind of the catch here. So you just type in the percentile, 20, 33. And on mobile, you can do fill. So I'll click here. We'll click fill. And we're going to fill down to update those. And you can see we're using 20. And that's pretty much it, guys. That's the percentof function. Just a way to be more, I think, specific with what you're trying to do in Excel.